Today, I will show how to buy shares of Global Self-Storage Inc., a company that owns and operates self-storage facilities in multiple locations, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SELF. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SELF to find Global Self-Storage Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Double-check the ticker shows SELF and the exchange is NASDAQ. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A friendly link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.